Morning everyone, it's the weekend again. I'm here back with my trailer and I'm just want to see how it's got on over the week really. So let's have a look. Oh. But it doesn't look any different. What's going on, people? It hasn't fixed itself, has it? I'm gonna have a word. A strong word. I've had a word with it and it said it's poorly. It said it's not happy about a big gap in there. Can you see that? Not the daylight, but the big gap there. So I had a word with this side and it's like it's his twin brother. Ugh. Right, so what we need to do, we're going to do this, we're going to do it, we're going to cut it off here and there, same that side, take this piece off of that piece, that bit there's all one bit, so we'll have to cut through here to do that, unless we can just like cut it and bend it down and push it back up. I have brought a vice with me to squeeze that bit back together, hopefully, and then we can clean the rust out, because it's the only thing that's done that there is rust. Lots of rust. So, good morning everybody. If you have not already, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, ring that little bell, get notifications of my videos when I release them. Usually it's like once a week at the minute. And yeah, so today we're going to be doing that, taking the axle off, which is going to involve removing this piece here, either cutting through here, and then grinding all the rust that's in between there out, and then welding it back on. Then we'll put the hubs back on, put the wheels back on, and we'll be done. Easy. Next question is it going to rain? Do we need a gazebo? And just like that, not like that, and just like that, not very good. Like, who knew? What's up with my fingers? Like that. I might later watch me put it up because I might fall over. Hopefully now that'll drop down, because I put that beam in the front because I don't know when I cut the axle off if the chassis is going to splay in and out or twist. But now that's... I know, but there's no cross member at the back. The axle's what hold the back together. That was meant to come down. Yeah. Said that was meant to come down.
The other side's smooth now.
Easy peasy. Lovely. Lovely job. What I've done is cleaned all the rust that was on here off. I've put a bit of a bevel on here. I marked it 3 inches, and then the front bit, that's only 2 inches, in case anyone wants to point out to me. So I put a bit of bevel on to get weld penetration, and also it lets me see where I'm going to be welding once it's underneath. I have done the same on the trailer as well, and all we're going to do now is get the axle back on round here. We'll have a sweep up, get rid of all that dust. We'll get the axle back on, probably just get it tacked on tonight. Might get it welded on, not sure yet, but yeah, we'll get it back on there in the dry, out of the way in case it rains.